Every cuisine of Tamil Nadu is deeply ingrained with this innate principle. The medicinal spices and the naturally healthy herbs added in the right proportions ensure eating right and eating well. Idli, the iconic breakfast dish of Tamil Nadu, is a dish not to be missed. One of the healthiest breakfasts known, this fluffy and tasty rice cake is a perfect mix of rice and lentils. Another international favorite is its cousin, the world-renowned Dosa, and its hundreds of tasty variants. A breakfast in Tamil Nadu is never complete without a piping hot, rich and heavenly aromatic filter coffee. A signature beverage of Tamil Nadu, filter coffees are blended to traditional tasty perfection. The lunch spread of Tamil Nadu is mainly influenced by its agrarian culture and climatic factors. Based predominantly around rice, Tamil Nadu's traditional lunch feast for guests is called as Virundu Sapadu. Its name is derived from the traditional Tamil hospitality and custom of hosting and welcoming a guest to their homes. Street food in Tamil Nadu is a tourist's delight, where one can indulge in a vast array of exotic local dishes and can truly taste the soulful food of the soil. Being a magnificent state of widely varied landscapes and terrains, Tamil Nadu has a rich, varied and diversified cuisine. The meat and seafood specialities of each region of Tamil Nadu are a food connoisseur's pleasure. Though hundreds of varieties of lip-smacking biryanis are available in the state, the very native version of it, Dindigul Briyani, is well loved for its divinely mesmerizing aroma and taste. Each road of your wonderful journey would be filled with spicy aromas of delicacies unique to each region, the recipes of which have been carried through centuries and treasured passionately by generations of cooks. The traditional desserts and snacks of Tamil Nadu are another vast list whose delights could be savored and cherished as sweet memories as you travel through this unforgettable journey of myriad experiences. Come, relish the taste of Tamil Nadu.